I'm Daniel Macknick. I am the Senior Manager and Product Owner of ServiceNow at the Healthcare of Ontario Pension Plan. A big part of our digital transformation journey was starting to sort of reinvent the way we work and rethink some of the technologies that we used. And so when we brought in ServiceNow, we really thought it was just replacing our existing ticketing system. And what we realized very quickly was that there was a lot more value to be had there. We started building out a rich catalog of services and options and seeing automation that we could never offer before and saving people time and money. And it sort of became infectious by ensuring that we have like a really well-structured program to lean on through learning. Whenever somebody internally wants to build something or deploy a new workflow or what have you, they take the courses either on demand or instructor-led. It really makes that whole process seamless and effortless for us. We get comfort in knowing that there's a level of consistency that they're going to have by going through learning and be able to build things in a way that we need them to and deliver them to the business in the way that we need them to. We very much are having to keep up with the demand now because everybody needs it, everybody wants it.